Okay, just doing a short video here on the installation of my concreted Raptor. This is something that I made, and there's several videos on my channel where you can see this being formed in a shape, the form shape to where it looks like this Raptor does now, but it's made out of cardboard. And then there's a thin shell of a high strength, fiber reinforced cement mixture that I use, along with reinforcing that mix in small thin layers with mesh, and then more mud, and then more mesh. So it's only, I think the body is like 3/4 of an inch thick. The whole statue weighs in at 300 pounds. Now that's still enough to where you can't just go over and pick it up, two guys. If you had a bunch of guys, I imagine you could, but it's got enough weight that it's awkward in its shape, and the lift is just the way to do it. At any rate, this is a project that I started 2.5 years ago. Mind you, my wife started asking me 10 years ago for a Raptor, and I was like, I thought she wanted it for put it in her business so that road traffic would be enhanced and looked over at, you know, her store type of a thing. But no, she said, no, I want it on the front gate. That's where we're heading right now. From my shop to the front gate is 500 feet, and we're booming it out there right now for that. But 2.5 years it took me to play with this thing and get it out of the shop finally. I get bored with a project and then let it sit, or business takes me away from it, other projects that are paying, because this is a non-paying job. It's for the wife, and it's something I have to do, but other work is more priority, so that's why it took 2.5 years. But getting it out there at the gateway is something she wanted done, so that's why we went and got the lift. In fact, you know, I was thinking, I spent $300 getting that lift, plus about 1.5 hours of my time to go get it, unload it, load it, and then drive it back and go through the, you know, the desk time that's there. But I didn't spend $300 worth of material to make this whole statue, so I'm probably in about $600. And somebody asked me, what would you sell this for? If I had to make it again, I'd probably want 15 to 20 grand. It was some work. I didn't keep hours, and I'm thinking about going back and looking at my video clips to see what I actually did spend making it. I could kind of get a guesstimate there, but I got some time into it, and it was a labor of love for my wife. I'm glad I made it. I'm happy she's happy, but right now it's being set in place. The only thing I've got left to do is I raked the leaves back to put the statue on virgin ground, and now I'm going to have to rake the leaves back and cover up that side of the rock, almost putting some on top of the rock too. But I'm getting ready to make this tutorial video step by step, and it should be up in the next weeks. I always appreciate the comments and the feedback. I do enjoy making videos for YouTube, and if you guys enjoyed it, like, subscribe, and share, and you know, watch more of my videos. Thanks so much for taking your time. I appreciate it. All right, so I got it installed, and now I'm going to take some leaves that are around here and cover that up almost to where you can't see the rock. Anyway, stick with me, sports fans.